How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be changing my belt and my vacuum cleaner. Let's put this down in the relaxed position. I mean, fast, easy, and fun, maybe. Okay, here's the old belt. It's not supposed to be like that. So we're going to be moving, let's see here, 2, 4, 5 screws here. Okay, let's remove this. Wiggle. Wiggle. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's all pretty nasty. Now will be a good time to clean this up. So you can take this part out. Got my new parts from Amazon. This one comes with 2 belts. Let's see here. Here is the number. Here's the old belt, Royal. Wow, the new belt appears to be thicker. Okay, so this is a style 15 belt. And this one is, I hope it's style 15. Yeah, the bag says style 15 Dynamite. Okay, looks like it's gonna go just like this. On here, put the bottom part on first. Loop it around. Put this in here. Like that. Let's see. Wow, it's definitely tight. Tight, tight, tight. Slide it on in. There we go. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Alright, let's give it a try. Back in action. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Aloha and take care. Good for another 10 years. How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to be changing my belt in my Dirt Devil motor driven brush roll Cyclone Performance. I sound like an idiot.